Okay, today I'm going to be talking about the Peavey Ampkit link for Peavey for your guitar, and specifically this 3.5 millimeter jack port and the pedals that come with your Peavey Ampkit. So first of all, you know this connection here, you could use your headphones and listening to your music through that, or your guitar through that, or you can use this cable and then you could hook this in here, and then you could hook it to, like, you know, I got some powered speakers, you could hook it to your powered speakers through this cable, or your stereo. And I'm sure there's other cables out there that you could use to hook to your monitors, or maybe you'd be able to use that with your monitors. But I made this one cable here with just 3 resistors, 470 ohms, 2 470 ohms resistor, and a 20K resistor on a PCB board I put in here. Now I probably could make this smaller if you wanted, but I used what I had, memory card reader, and these cables, and put them together. And what happens is it takes a stereo signal from stereo signal, and then it combines it into a mono signal, which is very simple. And then you can hook this into your Peavey Ampkit link, and then this can go into your amp. I have a first act amp here, and I use this quite a bit actually. I got a yard sale for $3, and hook in your guitar, and now you can turn on your amp, and ooh, that's kind of loud. But now you have reverb. And as you can see, this setting is only for pedals. The amp itself is turned off in this settings, and so is the microphone. But the pedals, this is power on. The pedals are still on. So I'm using noise gate and a reverb and the monster equalizer. And then you have reverb on a first act amp, which doesn't come with reverb. Which is kind of cool. And then you can add, you know, all the other pedals if you have them, because you have to pay for some of them. But here's this is their two screamer rigid. But then, so you can have all those pedals. You can use all those pedals with your Peavey Ampkit thing, and you can delete them here. I know, you know, it's kind of silly. You could use it through the PA or powered speakers or whatnot. But if you just had an amp and you wanted to just play with the pedals, and this is kind of a cheaper amp, so it doesn't come with all the bells and whistles. But you could have, like, you know, tremolo and flange and chorus. It's all in here. So, you know, there's quite a few pedals you can use. I have the whole set. It wasn't too expensive. You know, here's an octave pedal. This is kind of fun. But right now I just like the reverb playing in a anyway. So it's kind of cool. I think it's really neat that you can do this. There's a PDF file out there on the web. I'm not going to show you how to do the cable. I mean, it's not real hard, but you're responsible. I mean, if you do something wrong and fry your iPad or iPod or your iPhone or whatever, it's your responsibility. But there's a file out here called Why Not, WYE. Why Not, WYE, and it shows you the schematics of how to do this. I didn't. They wanted you to use the ports and stuff, or the connections, and I didn't want to do that. So I just had some old cables around, and I put them together to make the mixer down. And it's kind of cool, actually. I like it a lot, and it's a lot of fun to have the first act amp have some reverb. I have other amps, but I've been using this quite a bit, actually, just to practice and play on. So it's been a lot of fun. Well, I hope this is informative or helps you a little bit. And if you have any questions, leave them at the comments there. Thanks for watching.